Hello again, everybody. This is a continuing tutorial. I guess from the comments that I had, there's some confusion about parasitic drawers. So try to elaborate, try to clarify some misconceptions, I guess. First of all, like I said, if you leave your car battery overnight, you come in the daytime, and you can't crank it, you're going to go and get a boost, and then you're going to turn your car on, it'll crank. So you said, okay, that was a car battery. Fine. That solved that problem. Now you go, the next day, you leave it overnight, the same thing happens. Get another boost. You say, wow, how can it be the battery again? Right? But you'll change the battery to a new battery. Then the next day, again the same thing happens. Again, can't crank, can't even turn on the lights. The reason being, before you ever change a car battery, like I said in the previous videos, the meter that I've been elaborating on and talking about, the first thing you should do is, to avoid such problems, is to see if you have current. Right now I put the lights on, like I said in so many videos. You're measuring 15 amps. Now, instead of me changing the battery, if I go and I put this meter on the cable and I measure 15 amps, that means no, there's no way to change the battery. I am discharging the battery, and therefore it does not help to change the battery. That's the first thing you do before you change the battery. Get a simple meter like this, like I say, and measure. If you measure 0, fine, then change the battery. But if you get a new battery, even you put the new battery in, you still will measure a drawer. There's something wrong with, obviously, a malfunction in electronics of it, obviously. No reason to go and change the battery. So I hope this was instrumental and informative. Always, before removing a battery and paying good bucks for it, get a meter, measure the current to see if you're drawing current from any load to the battery. It will save you big bucks. Anyway, I had a question from someone. They asked me, it was a nice question. They said, who was my idol in electronics? I guess the answer to that is somebody called Scanner Danner, which makes videos. He is just a giant in the industry, in the automotive industry. He's a pioneer in automotive electronics. His wisdom is par none. Excellence personified. His instructions and the way he teaches and the way his knowledge of electronics is just amazing. And put it this way, what Henry Ford was for the car, the invention of the car, that's what Scanner Danner is for the invention of automotive electronics. Please do research and watch his videos, and you'll be delighted. With that note, I hope this helped. Please subscribe to my channel, Automotive Electronic Schematics by Joseph, and my other channel for students, Electronic Joe Electronic Schematics. I think you will enjoy it, hopefully, and see you next time. Thank you.